In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a background in Gimp quickly and cleanly, even if you're just getting started. This is one of the most useful editing skills to learn because it lets you isolate a subject, create transparent PNGs, make thumbnails, design product images, and prepare graphics for almost any project. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Gimp guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Gimp and load the image you want to edit. You can do this by dragging the image into Gimp or by going to File and then Open. Once your image is open, take a look at the Layers panel because this is where the background removal process really starts. Find your image layer, then right-click on it. From the menu that appears, select Add Alpha Channel. This is a very important step because it allows transparency. Without an alpha channel, when you delete the background, Gimp may replace it with a solid color instead of making it transparent. If you do not see Add Alpha Channel, that usually means the layer already has transparency enabled, so you can continue to the next step. Now choose the Fuzzy Select tool. You can usually find it in the toolbox, or simply press U on your keyboard. The Fuzzy Select tool is perfect for this method because it selects areas of similar color, which makes it great for removing simple backgrounds like white, black, or solid color backdrops. Next, click on the background color in your image. Gimp will highlight the selected area with a marching ants outline. If the background is a single clean color, this should work really well. If the selection grabs too much of your subject, you may need to adjust the threshold slightly, but for many images, this basic click is enough to get started. Once the background is selected, press Delete on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, the background should disappear, and you should see a great checkerboard pattern behind your subject. That checkerboard means the area is transparent, which is exactly what we want. If some of the background is still visible, you can click those remaining areas with the Fuzzy Select tool and delete them as well. After that, go up to Select in the top menu, and then click None. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+A. This clears the selection so you can see your image without the selection outline still active. It's a good final cleanup step and helps you confirm that the background has been removed properly. At this point, your image should now have a transparent background and be ready to use in other designs. If you want to keep the transparency, make sure you export the image as a PNG file, because JPEG files do not support transparency. To do that, go to File, then Export As, and choose PNG as the format. And that's how to remove a background in Gimp using a simple and effective method. If this tutorial saved you time, please like this video and subscribe for more Gimp tips, editing tricks, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.